I'm going to show you real quick how to make an organized list in the Reminders app that's already on your Apple phone. So first you want to go create a new list if you haven't already started using this. And the neat thing about this Reminders app is that you can choose the color of your list icon and also the icon type. And so you want to go in and give your list a name. And today I'm going to be using grocery list as an example. And then once you have the list created, go in and start adding items to your list. And now watch, here's where the magic happens. You can actually indent the items under like the title of the section or the section header. And I think now they've even updated the app to make it easier so that you can just hit indent. But if you want to drag and drop, you can reorder within the list. And then see how you can tuck them all up. This way you're not scrolling through an incredibly long list and it makes it really easy to find what you're looking for. And see, I'm just going to go and create a couple other sections so you can see how this works, just to really keep it organized. Your screen on your phone is a pretty small space, so this helps maximize everything and keep everything neat and organized.